Hi, my name is Matt. I was born and raised in Dorset, but I've spent the last 8 years living in Japan with my Japanese wife, with whom I have a 3-year-old daughter. I decided to make this video because I've been advised by several solicitors that I am unable to get a spouse visa for my wife. However, if I was a non-British EU national, such as a German or a French, my wife would automatically get a spouse visa for the UK. I met my wife 7 years ago in India in 2007 when we were both backpacking. Later that same year, she came to live with me for 4 weeks in Cardiff. In 2008, I moved to Japan, and then in 2010 we got married. We spent the last few years living in Osaka with our 3-year-old daughter, but this year we decided to come back to England. I came alone to England in June this year to prepare things for my family and begin the visa application process for my wife. In doing this, I secured a job with a contract earning 30 grand a year. However, UK immigration informed me I would still fail to get a spouse visa for my wife. I contacted 3 separate solicitors and they all confirmed that under current legislation my wife would fail to get a visa for the UK. However, if I was a non-British EU national, she would automatically get a 6-month spouse visa for the UK, and at the end of that 6 months she would then get British residency. You can check these facts on gov.uk under EEA Family Permit. After spending the last few years living in Japan, my daughters had a good opportunity to learn and understand Japanese ways and Japanese culture. We decided now was the time to come to the UK so my daughter could learn British culture and British values, as well as spend time with her grandparents and family in England. However, she's now been denied this opportunity because her mother will not get a visa for the UK. Do I return to Japan, where I have residency, so I can spend time with my daughter and watch her grow up? Or do I remain in England, where as an Englishman I'm in a better position to work and earn money to provide for her future? I know a Japanese lady who just this year got residency for the UK. Why? Because her husband is Spanish. Why do non-British EU nationals have more visa rights for their spouse than British nationals to come and live in the UK?